Hi everyone, my name is Prashant. Here I would like to share my experience with Avision Technolab 45 days training program. Joining Avision Technolab was one of the best decision to get job in IT field. During internship, I have enhanced knowledge about networking, ITIL, Windows Administrator, basic of CCNA and virtualization. The biggest strength of Avision Technolab is that taking mock interviews and practicals, and also trainers are very supportive. They are always used to motivating us, and all faculties are supportive from recruiter team to placement team. And with the help of their guidance and support, I got placed in two companies, SVN Private Limited and Team Computers, with the decent package of 3 LPA. And especially I would like to thank you, Anamika ma'am and Priya ma'am. If anyone wants to get job in IT field, I would highly suggest him to join Avision Technolab. Thank you.